Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Redmi Note 8 Pro. In the box, you'll find the phone itself, some instruction manuals, a basic protective case, an 18-watt charger with cable, and a SIM eject tool. Redmi Note 8 Pro features a 6.53-inch dot-drop display with front and rear Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's built to prevent daily wear and tear. The glossy frame and curved rear back cover are designed to be incredibly comfortable in hand. With advanced chip-on-film tech, the bottom chin height has been reduced to just 4.2 millimeters. The fingerprint sensor is located below the camera in the same frame, giving the sensor a subtle look. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. The glass rear coloring has a linear reflection effect, and here you'll find 4 cameras: a 64-megapixel ultra-high-resolution wide camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The quad camera could basically satisfy all your needs for photography. Now, let's take a look of how good they are. First, why does 64 megapixel matter to you? Because it offers you more details than ever. One 64 megapixel photo can be printed on a poster up to 3.26 meters tall. With these comparison shots, you can easily see the difference between the regular and ultra-wide-angle lenses. By combining the 64 megapixel sensor and depth sensor, Redmi Note 8 Pro's powerful AI-powered portrait mode allows you to create beautiful background blur. And add special effects such as dynamic bokeh and add studio lighting. What's special about the macro lens is that it offers 2 to 10 centimeter autofocus, a feature not found often even in the few smartphones that have macro lenses. On the front, you'll find a 20 megapixel selfie camera. On the bottom of the phone, you'll find a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack next to a USB Type-C port that supports 18-watt fast charge for its 4500 milliamp-hour battery, which is Redmi Note's biggest ever. In optimal conditions, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers up to 2 days, 6 hours of battery life for calls, 19 hours for videos, or 9 hours for gaming. Redmi Note 8 Pro is powered by the new Mediatek Helio G90T, which is perfectly designed for gaming, and also offers reduced touchscreen input lag. Alongside this, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers improved Wi-Fi connection thanks to the new Wi-Fi X antenna. So you could hold the phone like this, or this without losing Wi-Fi signal. Also, Redmi Note 8 Pro is equipped with the latest liquid cool technology to prevent performance drops due to high temperature. You can say Redmi Note 8 Pro is designed for gamers. Last but not least, Redmi Note 8 Pro offers the Redmi Note series' very first multifunctional NFC, usable for a broad number of situations, such as payment, card readers, and more. Redmi Note 8 Pro, a complete upgrade.
The Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro is a gorgeous-looking smartphone with a 6.53 full view and U-shaped notch. Also, this display is Full HD plus 395 ppi pixel density with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro has new released Mediatek Helio G90T 12 nanometers processor, so this time no Snapdragon, and this MTK processor is so powerful as Snapdragon 712. Also, this Helio G90T is dedicated gaming processor, so the gaming performance should be awesome. In the gaming section, you already know that this phone use a dedicated gaming processor, also they use Mali-G76MC4 GPU. This GPU is so much power and it takes handle help you make run all latest games run smoothly with high graphics setting. On the camera section, Redmi Note 8 Pro first use quad rear camera setup. So the main regular sensor is a world-first 64MP sensor f1.8. The second one is 8MP, which is ultrawide, and third one is 2MP, for the dedicated macro shoot. At last the fourth sensor is 2MP for depth capture in a portrait shoot. This time the camera is very special because it helps you take an amazing photo in low light, and it also takes beautiful portrait shot. One more thing, that if you use 64MP full resolution camera, then you may need to turn off 64MP resolution camera separately. Otherwise, you can use a 16MP resolution. For the taking selfie, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro has 20MP selfie camera. This camera also is used in the face unlock system. In videography, this phone can take 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30, 60/120 fps, gyro eyes video. And in the front camera, you also can record 1080p video, that's all. Above all, this has a battery with 4500 mAh. Also, support 18W fast charging. At last, this phone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system with MIUI. Most important things: fingerprint sensor also present on the rear. And all basic sensor such as light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope is present here.